Turn, turn, turn. So that, I'm still recording. Okay, we made it out of the danger zone. Back to filming. May taking selfies. May, you getting some good selfies? Oh, you're not? You should be.
Are you videotaping?
Maybe. Hey, wait for us. Why are y'all running away? So I totally recorded the whole time while we crashed into trees. I'm not so sure the camera was pointed at the trees.
Did
but...
you get Peanut? She's all wet. She was wet from...
Shortcut.
Shortcut. I thought it was not a shortcut.
No, that's not a shortcut.
You can go around.
Nah.
Got a paddle.
What's that?
We're gonna bottom out. You better get us over to the middle. We're gonna bottom out. We're hanging out over here. See you guys. Sandbar.
Sandbar.
Here, take your dog.
Huh?
Here.
Put the leash on her then. Run away here.
What are you doing, Peanut? She's going for shore. She's like, I see shore. That's where I'm going. She's not happy.
You don't like the water?
She probably doesn't like the current. There's the kids drifting away on us. Bye, kids.
Oh,
Is she mad at you?
she's not happy.
She's not happy?
She's sad. She's cold.
Aww.
She's shivering.
Is she? She's, I don't know if she's cold or she's scared. She's either cold or scared.
Back in. Go. Did that catch up?
Unhook her so she don't get
Did that
tangled.
catch up?
Pull your side out. Whoa, careful. You almost fell in.
Get in.
You almost fell in. Okay, you gonna be able to get in now with the current?
Okay.
All right.
We gotta like
May I catch the kitties? Oh no. I hope I didn't just get water in there. All right, time to go catch the kitties. What do you think, Peanut? Should we catch the kitties?